Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of scenario planning and how it can empower your strategic business decisions. Scenario planning is a powerful tool that helps organizations anticipate possible futures and prepare for uncertainty. Instead of relying solely on predictions, scenario planning encourages you to explore a range of plausible outcomes. This approach allows businesses to remain agile and resilient, no matter what the future holds. In this video, we'll walk through the essentials of scenario planning, its benefits, and how you can apply it to your own strategic decision-making process. Let's get started by understanding what scenario planning really means. Scenario planning is a structured method for organizations to imagine and prepare for different possible futures. Rather than making decisions based on a single forecast, scenario planning encourages you to consider multiple, diverse scenarios. This helps you identify risks, opportunities, and strategies that will work across a range of circumstances. By visualizing different outcomes, you can develop flexible plans that adapt to changing environment. Scenario planning is especially valuable in today's fast-paced and unpredictable business world, where agility is key to long-term success. Businesses face uncertainty every day, from economic shifts to technological advancements. Scenario planning helps you navigate these uncertainties by preparing for a variety of possible futures. It enables leaders to make informed decisions, allocate resources wisely, and respond quickly to unexpected changes. By considering different scenarios, you can avoid being caught off guard and ensure your business remains competitive. Scenario planning also fosters creative thinking and collaboration among team members, leading to more robust strategies. Use scenario planning effectively. It's important to understand its key elements. These include identifying driving forces, recognizing critical uncertainties, developing plausible scenarios, and creating strategic responses. Each element plays a crucial role in building a comprehensive view of the future. By systematically working through these steps, you can ensure your business is prepared for whatever comes next. Let's break down each element to see how they contribute to successful scenario planning. First step in scenario planning is to identify the driving forces that shape your business environment. These forces can be internal, like company culture or resources, or external, such as market trends, regulations, or technological changes. By understanding what influences your business, you can better anticipate potential shifts and challenges. Gather input from across your organization to ensure you capture a wide range of perspective. This comprehensive approach lays the foundation for effective scenario planning. Next, focus on the uncertainties that could have the biggest impact on your business. Critical uncertainties are factors that are both highly important and unpredictable. Examples might include changes in consumer behavior, new competitors, or shifts in government policy. By pinpointing these uncertainties, you can develop scenarios that address a wide range of possible futures. This step ensures your planning is robust and not limited by assumption. With your driving forces and uncertainties in mind, it's time to develop a set of plausible scenarios. Each scenario should represent a different combination of how key uncertainties might play out. Aim for 3 to 4 distinct scenarios that cover a broad spectrum of possibilities. These scenarios should be detailed enough to guide strategic thinking, but flexible enough to adapt as circumstances change. This creative process helps your team envision the future and prepare for a range of outcomes. Once your scenarios are developed, analyze the implications of each one. What opportunities or threats does each scenario present? How might your business need to adapt? This analysis helps you identify strategies that are effective across multiple scenarios, as well as those that are scenario-specific. By understanding the potential impacts, you can prioritize actions and allocate resources more effectively. Final step is to develop strategic responses for each scenario. These responses should outline how your business will act if a particular scenario unfolds. Consider both proactive and reactive strategies and ensure your plans are actionable. By preparing responses in advance, you can move quickly and confidently when faced with uncertainty. This proactive approach is key to staying ahead in a rapidly changing business environment. It's important to distinguish scenario planning from traditional forecasting. Forecasting typically relies on historical data to predict a single future outcome. Scenario planning, on the other hand, explores multiple possible futures and prepares for a range of outcomes. This makes scenario planning more flexible and better suited to environments with high uncertainty. By using both approaches together, you can strengthen your strategic decision-making. Scenario planning offers several benefits for strategic business decisions. It helps leaders anticipate risks, seize opportunities, and build resilience. By considering multiple futures, you can avoid tunnel vision and make more informed choices. Scenario planning also encourages collaboration and creative problem-solving, leading to stronger strategies. Ultimately, it empowers your business to thrive in uncertain times. Scenario planning is especially useful during periods of significant change or uncertainty. This could include entering new markets, launching innovative products, or responding to disruptive technologies. It's also valuable for long-term strategic planning where the future is difficult to predict. By using scenario planning at critical moments, you can ensure your business is prepared for whatever comes next. Effective scenario planning involves a diverse group of stakeholders. Include leaders from different departments, subject matter experts, and even external partners when possible. This diversity ensures a wide range of perspectives and helps uncover blind spots. Collaborative scenario planning leads to more robust and actionable strategies, as everyone brings unique insights to the table. While scenario planning is a powerful tool, there are common pitfalls to watch out for. Avoid focusing too narrowly on a single scenario or failing to update your scenarios as conditions change. It's also important not to overlook unlikely but impactful events. Regularly review and revise your scenarios to keep them relevant and useful. By staying vigilant, you can maximize the value of your scenario planning efforts. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a retail company facing uncertainty about future consumer trends. By using scenario planning, the company develops several scenarios: one where online shopping dominates, another where in-store experiences make a comeback, and a third where economic downturn affects spending. For each scenario, the company creates strategies to adapt, such as investing in e-commerce, enhancing in-store experiences, or focusing on value product. This approach ensures the company is ready for any outcome. There are various tools and frameworks available to support scenario planning. These include SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, and scenario matrices. Digital tools can also help you visualize scenarios and track key indicators. Choose the tools that best fit your organization's needs and resources. The right tools make the scenario planning process more efficient and effective. Get the most value from scenario planning integrated into your regular strategic planning process. Make it a routine part of decision-making, not just a one-time exercise. Encourage ongoing dialogue about potential futures and update your scenarios as new information emerges. This continuous approach keeps your business agile and prepared for change. Scenario planning isn't just for risk management, it's also a powerful tool for innovation. By exploring different futures, you can identify emerging trends and new opportunities. This forward-thinking approach encourages creative solutions and helps your business stay ahead of the competition. Use scenario planning to spark innovation and drive growth. Managing risk is a core benefit of scenario planning. By preparing for a range of possible futures, you can reduce the impact of negative events and capitalize on positive ones. Scenario planning helps you build contingency plans and ensure business continuity, even in the face of unexpected challenges. This proactive approach strengthens your organization's resilience. Scenario planning can also support business growth. By anticipating market shifts and customer needs, you can position your business to seize new opportunities. This approach helps you allocate resources effectively and prioritize growth initiatives. Scenario planning ensures your growth strategies are robust and adaptable, no matter how the future unfolds. When a crisis hits, scenario planning can be a lifesaver. By having pre-developed scenarios and responses, your business can act quickly and decisively. This minimizes disruption and helps maintain customer trust. Scenario planning enables you to respond to crises with confidence, knowing you've already considered a range of possible outcomes. Scenario planning can give your business a competitive edge. By anticipating changes in the market and preparing for different scenarios, you can outmaneuver competitors who are less prepared. This proactive approach helps you spot opportunities early and avoid potential pitfalls. Scenario planning is a key tool for staying ahead in a dynamic business environment. Effective resource allocation is critical for business success. Scenario planning helps you allocate resources where they're needed most, based on different possible futures. This ensures your investments are aligned with your strategic priorities and can adapt as circumstances change. With scenario planning, you can make smarter, more flexible resource decisions. Engaging stakeholders is essential for successful scenario planning. By involving key stakeholders in the process, you build buy-in and ensure your strategies reflect a range of perspectives. This collaborative approach leads to more effective and sustainable decisions. Scenario planning also helps communicate complex ideas in a clear and compelling way. Change is a constant in business, and scenario planning can help you manage it more effectively. By preparing for different futures, you can guide your organization through transitions with less disruption. Scenario planning provides a roadmap for navigating change, ensuring your team is ready to adapt and succeed. Clear communication is vital during scenario planning. Use visual aids, storytelling, and regular updates to keep everyone informed and engaged. Scenario planning helps simplify complex issues and ensures everyone understands the potential futures and strategies. Effective communication keeps your team aligned and focused on shared goals. Strong leadership is essential for successful scenario planning. Leaders set the tone, encourage open-mindedness, and drive the process forward. By championing scenario planning, leaders help their organizations become more resilient and adaptable. Empower your leadership team to embrace uncertainty and guide your business to success. Scenario planning can shape your organizational culture by promoting adaptability, collaboration, and forward-thinking. When scenario planning becomes part of your culture, your team is more likely to embrace change and pursue innovation. This cultural shift supports long-term success and helps your business thrive in any environment. Scenario planning is not a one-time activity. Regularly review and update your scenarios to reflect new information and changing circumstances. This keeps your strategies relevant and ensures your business remains prepared for the future. Set a schedule for scenario reviews and involve key stakeholders in the process. Summary: scenario planning is a vital tool for strategic business decisions. By preparing for a range of possible futures, you can build resilience, seize opportunities, and navigate uncertainty with confidence. Start by identifying your driving forces and uncertainties, develop plausible scenarios, and create strategic responses. Make scenario planning a regular part of your business strategy to stay ahead in a changing world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to smarter decision-making.